The Green Thumbometer app for the iPhone is a 4-in-1 gardening app that combines a gardening journal, gardening calendar, gardening to-do list, and gardening information. It enables you to keep an ongoing record in your iPhone of what you need to do in your garden at certain times of the year, what you did last year, and how to do it. This information is then literally at your fingertips while you are out working in the yard. You begin by choosing the hemisphere in which you live, north or south. We ask you to do this because the seasons are different in the two hemispheres and gardening tasks are seasonal too. This ensures that tasks will appear in your app in the right months of the year for your location. Choose the month you're in and get started on the gardening tasks for that month. The list is customizable. You can add new tasks, you can delete tasks that don't apply to your yard. Note, this is irreversible. If you don't want to delete a task permanently, just check it and it will go to the bottom of the list out of the way. You can sort tasks in the order in which you want to do them. As you complete each task, check it off. It drops to the bottom of the page out of the way. Next year, when you want to use the list again, just uncheck the tasks you want to do and start over. You can see more details about a task by tapping on it. To add details or change them, tap Edit. Change the title. Add or edit details. And add notes, DIY video links, or helpful website links. This is a good place to keep information about specific plants, such as the varieties you want to plant, how to plant and care for them, the results you got this year, and the things you want to change next year. You can add a photograph to help you remember how you planted a bed, a variety you want to plant, how to prune a plant, or other information you need. For specific plants, you can add an icon that will show up on your task list and help you find that task easily in your list. As you customize your app, you will gradually build a system that is right for your yard and garden's needs and that you can use year after year to maintain a beautiful garden. You can share a task with someone, set a reminder to do it, or add it to another productivity app. Here's how. Tap a task. Then click the Share button and the options you want will come up for you to choose from. A note on the use of this Share feature. You can customize the other apps that appear in Share to meet your needs as well. If you need new plants, garden tools, or supplies, just add them to the app shopping list. Then find garden stores or plant nurseries near you on the map to pick up what you need. When you finish all the gardening tasks for a month, that month's square on the stats page will fill in to show that your Green Thumb status is going up. Green Thumbometer is available on the App Store. See the link below in the description.